What is up, you guys? We are back already for day 5. Oh my goodness, we are moving right along with our daily unleash, and today we're going to talk about vision boards, something that I'm super passionate about, and I used to talk about it so much more. I had done vision board workshops in the past. If you've been with me a long time, you know that we do one in the fall, and then we usually revamp it in January just to make sure we're on course for the following year, considering there's no pandemic or something crazy that is thrown our way. So what I love to do with this, and if you've never done a vision board before, it's definitely time that you invest in yourself to do one. We take our top 10 goals, the big goals, and put them into a visual format. So today, unlike back in the old days, I guess you would say, I would grab magazine photos and literally cut them out, but it was very difficult to get a real representation of what I was visualizing in my head, because obviously magazines were kind of limited, like you had to choose from whatever magazines you had and whatever photos you had and kind of make that work. But today we use Google Images and Pinterest for inspiration, and it's so much better because you know in your mind what you visualize for your future, and you can pull up those photos just by using Google Images, Googling it, hitting the image, save the image, and just pull all the photos of the things that really truly inspire you. You get a better sense of clarity. Example, one of the items on my vision board that's been on my vision board for 3 years now just came through. It came into real life just this week, and that was to redo my pantry. And I wasn't really sure exactly what I wanted that pantry to look like. I mean, I know it's just shelves and stuff to some people, but I wanted certain aspects of it, and I was able to find a few pieces of pictures and put them together. So when the girl came to measure my pantry, I literally pulled those photos out, and she's like, "Can I have these?" I was like, "Absolutely, yeah, I've got them saved on my desktop." I've been having them saved on my desktop. But that's what's so super cool is my pantry looks very, very much in line with the pantry photos that I had pulled off the internet. We worked with the space that we had. Obviously, some of them were just grand pantries, which mine's okay, but I love it. Everything about it, I love it. And now what I've got to do is visualize now how to organize the things in my pantry. So, there's the clear containers with the white press lids, and then there's like little baskets, there's clear baskets, there's wire baskets. So now I'm actually going to get a little bit more detailed. I'm going to go look on Pinterest, I'm going to go look on Google Images, find exactly the way I want to organize it, and that is how I'm going to bring my vision to life. I'm going to actually print it, pen it, and know exactly what I'm looking for. That way I'm not settling, and I'm not just throwing spaghetti at the wall trying to guess like, oh, am I going to like that? Like, if I can see it first and know that this is my inspiration, this is what I'm shooting for, this is what I would like it to look like, then there's clarity there, and it actually happens. That's what you do to know, like, that's what I'm shooting for. This is the end goal. So yay to Google Images and yay to Pinterest. But the other thing that I do with those photos is I'll save them, okay? Like if you grab those photos from Google or Pinterest, on Pinterest you can actually make a whole pin board, and you can make it private so nobody else sees it. It's just for you. But I like to put those photos in an app or a website called PicMonkey, and you can actually put them around and make a collage. It's a free PicMonkey is free, and you have to learn how to navigate it a little bit, but I just put them all together. Or I'll actually print those photos out, and I still go old school in my closet. Every year I pin a poster board up in my closet, and what happens is when I go in my closet, I gotta get dressed every day, right? I see it, and I just kind of look over it, and if I've ever lost that North Star, or if I've ever lost that drive or that momentum or whatever's keeping me going, I'll look at it and I'll read over the things that it has on there, like I want to have annual tickets to Disney one day. I want to go to Disney for Halloween. I want to go to Disney for Christmas. I've never seen Disney as many times as we have been. I've never seen Disney at Christmas, and that is definitely one of the things on my dream board, on my vision board. So I make two versions. Like I said, I'll make a desktop version, and then I'll make the wall of my closet, so I can see it every day. I'm just that kind of person. I still use an old school calendar. I don't use a digital calendar. I have to have it in front of me. I have to write it out. I just have to see it that way. So it just gives me complete clarity that way. Everybody's different, and my style may not work for you, but that's what's so super cool about Pinterest now. You can make your own digital version and make it on your desktop, or even put it on your screensaver, or even the wallpaper on your phone. So let me know in the comments if you're going to do a vision board, if you've done a vision board, if you're going to hop on board and do a vision board. I would love to see yours. Tag me in anything that you do regarding your vision and your goals. What are your goals for this year? Like, even though we may be coming close to the end of the year, depending on when you're listening to this, what are your goals? What are the things that you want to get done? Because don't wait until next year. Like, let's do them. Let's take action, even if it's like the one big thing. But I want you to tag me. I want you to let me know in the comments if you've done a vision board, and if you plan on doing another vision board. I'd love for you to do it with us. And that's it for today, you guys. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.